Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating the Blynk project and securing the auth token because you need a trusted identity. Once done, enable notifications in project settings so messages are permitted. Next, drop a notification widget onto your dashboard and tie it to the device. This links UI events to mobile alerts. Make sure to pick the right channel and test a quick sample push now. That verifies connectivity before you continue to wiring automations or code. Now implement the notification logic in your device code and explain why it matters. You must call Blynk. Notify your message at the right event so the app receives alerts. Once you map sensors to virtual pins, create threshold checks that invoke notifications only when values cross limits. Also, add simple rate limiting, for example, 1 notification per minute, because excessive pushes flood the user and may be dropped. Finally, test with simulated events so you can refine timing and text. Finish by testing end-to-end, trigger a notification from the device and from the app, and confirm the phone receives them. If things go wrong, inspect the auth token, network connectivity, app notification permissions, and the Blynk server status. These are common culprits. Make sure you log notification attempts and build simple retry with exponential backoff so transient failures recover. Once stable, deploy your firmware and monitor for a day to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.